Hey everyone. Today I'm here to talk about something really important, how cancer starts and how we fight it. So, our body is made up of trillions of cells. These cells grow, divide and die in a pretty organized way, keeping everything running smoothly. But sometimes a cell's DNA makes a mistake. This mistake can cause the cell to grow and divide when it shouldn't. These rogue cells can grow really fast and form a lump called a tumor. Now, some tumors stay in one place and don't cause much trouble, but others can spread and damage nearby tissues. Even worse, cancer cells can travel through the blood or lymph system to other parts of the body. This is called metastasis. Cancer can happen for a bunch of reasons, like smoking, eating unhealthy food, too much sun, infections or genes passed down from family. But here's the good news. There are many ways we can fight it. Doctors use treatments like surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, and new medicines to battle cancer. And here's something really positive. Many people survive cancer and go on to live happy, fulfilling lives. With early care and support, there is always hope. So, remember, understanding how cancer starts and knowing the treatments available can make a world of difference. Stay informed, stay healthy, and never lose hope. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.